have Akaso EK7000 4K at only $55. This action camera is a perfect choice for capturing the ultimate footage of your adventures. This Ultra HD camera provides professional 4K 30 fps 2.7K 30 fps video, with 16 MP photos at up to 30 frames per second, allowing you to capture crystal clear images and videos. With a wireless wrist remote control, you can easily take pictures and videos without worrying about recording time, as it comes with two rechargeable 1050 mAh batteries that can record up to 90 minutes each. You can also edit and share your footage in minutes with the built-in Wi-Fi and HDMI. This waterproof camera is designed to withstand extreme environments and comes with a durable waterproof case with the accessories, so you can use it for indoor and outdoor activities up to 98 foot underwater. So there you have it, the top 5 action cameras of 2023. We hope this review has helped you decide which camera is right for you. Thanks for watching, and happy recording!